Hello guys, welcome back to the Gorea channel. Today I'm gonna tell you about aerobic culture methods. So let's begin our lecture. What are the culture methods? Culture method employed depend upon the purpose for which they are intended. The indication for culture are to isolate the bacteria in pure culture, to demonstrate their properties, to obtain sufficient growth for preparation of antigen and for the other test, for bacteriophage and bacteriocin susceptibility, to determine sensitivity to the antibiotics, to estimate the viable count and maintain the stock culture. These are the reasons for which we culture the organism by the different type of methods. So there are two type of methods. First are aerobic method and second are anaerobic culture methods. In aerobic culture methods, for in today lecture in aerobic culture method we are gonna study streak culture, lawn culture, stalk culture, stab culture, pour play method and liquid method. Anaerobic culture method we will gonna study in next lecture. So first is streak plate technique. The streak plate technique, it is a simple type of culture method which is usually used by all microbiologists in the clinical laboratory, in the clinical microbiology laboratory. So it is used for the isolation of bacteria in pure culture from the clinical specimen, and the platinum wire or nichrome wire is used. One loop of the specimen is transferred on the surface of the well-dried plate and spread over a small area at the periphery using a nichrome loop. The inoculum is then distributed thinly over a plate by streaking it with loop in a series of parallel lines in different segments of the plates. On the incubation, the separated colonies obtained over the last series of streaks. So this is the diagram of the streak plate. This is the nichrome loop and this is the petri plate. First we have to take the loop full of the specimen and spread it over the dried culture plate. Then we will heat the loop and start streaking it like that. This is the four flame method I'm showing you. This is the four flame method or streaking, the four flame method, in which we straddle the loop 4 times. That's why it is known as four flame method. Four flame method is basically used to get separated colonies like this, so that we can do further testing like biochemical test or gram staining from the one specific bacterial colony. So there are different type of streaking. There are simple streaking, there are semi-quantitative streaking, there are T type streaking, and this is the quadrant method or four flame method, through which we will get this type of separated colonies. Second is lawn culture. Lawn culture is usually provide a uniform surface growth of the bacterium like this. This is the picture of antibiotic sensitivity test in which we do basically lawn culture. Lawn culture, how we do the lawn culture? We will first of all we will grow the bacterium in a pure culture in a liquid medium. So with the help of the spreader or with the help of the cotton swab, we will take first we will dip that swab in the test tube containing bacterium, then squeeze that swab by pressing it against the test tube wall. सो दैट जो एक्स्ट्रा सेल रहेगा, एक्स्ट्रा लिक्विड होगा, वो उसमें से निकल जाए। देन उस स्वैब को हम जिगजैग मोशन में ऐसे उसको हम ड्राई प्लेट पे उसको लॉन कल्चर बनाएंगे। सो लॉन कल्चर बेसिकली हम किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं? फॉर द बैक्टीरिया फास्ट टाइपिंग, फॉर एंटीबायोटिक सेंसरी टेस्टिंग एंड द in the preparation of the bacterial antigen and the vaccine. Lawn culture are prepared by flooding the surface of the plate with the liquid suspension of the bacterium. Second is stalk culture. Stalk culture is made in tube containing agar slop or the slant. The use of this stalk culture basically it provides the pure growth of bacterium for the slide agglutination and the other diagnostic purpose. We will use it for the subculturing of the organism, like for the maintaining the subculture. हम ऐसे ट्यूब में उसको सब कल्चर करके रखते हैं। इस ट्यूब में ऐसे करने की इसकी एडवांटेज है कि हमें सरफेस एरिया ज़्यादा मिलता है, इसलिए हम ट्यूब में उसको सब, और कंटेमिनेशन के कम चांसेस होते हैं, जिससे कि हमारा जो कल्चर है वो ज़्यादा टाइम तक उसको हम प्रिजर्व करके रख सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज स्टैप कल्चर. स्टैप कल्चर इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय पंचरिंग ए सुटेबल मीडियम सच एज जेलेटिन और ग्लूकोज अगार with a long straight charged wire like nichrome wire. एक जो जैसे कि ये है, बेसिकली हम क्या करते हैं, सेमी सॉलिड मीडिया और सॉलिड मीडिया में हम स्टैप कल्चर का यूज़ करते हैं, और अगर हमें माइक्रो एरोफिलिक और एनारोबिक माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म को ग्रो कराना है तो भी हम स्टैप कल्चर का यूज़ कर सकते हैं। एक ट्यूब लेंगे, उसमें हम सॉलिड या सेमी सॉलिड मीडिया डालेंगे, उसमें जब वो मीडिया सॉलिडिफाई हो जाएगा उसमें हम जो निक्रोम लूप है उससे हम स्पेसिमेन को लेंगे, देन उसको स्ट्रेट वायर ऐसे इंजेक्ट करेंगे और वापस इसे स्ट्रेट वायर को सेम उसको उसी वे में निकालेंगे बाहर। तो जो स्टैप कल्चर है उसको हम किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं? फॉर द डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन ऑफ द जेलेटिन लिक्विफिकेशन, फॉर द ऑक्सीजन रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द बैक्टीरियम अंडर स्टडी और मेंटेनेंस ऑफ द stalk culture. So this is the picture of oxidation fermentation medium, and this is the picture of gelatin liquefaction by the different type of bacteria. जो gelatin liquefaction है उसको हम for the identification of bacteria के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, कि सारे ऑर्गेनिज्म जेलेटिन को लिक्विफाई नहीं कर सकते, कुछ ऑर्गेनिज्म ही लिक्विफाई कर सकते हैं, तो उनके बेसिस पे हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि कौन सा माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म हो सकता है। Next is pour plane method. In the pour plane method, agar medium is melted. We will take 15 ml of the agar and cool it to the 45 degrees Celsius. 1 ml of the inoculum is added to the molten agar and mix well and pour to the sterile petri dish and allow it to solidify. Then we will incubate that sterile petri dish at the 37 degrees Celsius, and the colony will be distributed throughout the depth of the medium. And the use of the pour plane method is to give the estimate of the viable bacterial count in the suspension or for the quantitative urine culture. Pour plate method is also used for the microaerophilic organism. Microaerophilic microorganisms are those which are required below the 6% of the oxygen for their growth. Next is liquid culture. Liquid culture are inoculated by touching the charge loop or by adding the inoculum with the pipette or the syringe. This is the picture of Bactac blood culture bottle. This for the liquid culture is used for the blood culturing, sterility testing for the industrial purpose, continuous culture method, and for the production of the primary metabolite and the secondary metabolite, and the production of the alcoholic beverages in the beverages industry. And the disadvantage that it does not provide pure culture from the mixed inoculum. and the advantage is that it will give you the rapid growth of the microorganism. So these are the different type of aerobic culture methods. So thank you for watching my video, and please do subscribe my channel and do like my video, share my video. And the anaerobic culture method, I will make a separate slide on them. So thank you for watching my video.